Hey everyone! If you're a barbecue lover but want to grill indoors or you're working with limited outdoor space, you're in the right place. Today, I'm breaking down 3 electric grills, each one packed with unique features to level up your grilling game. Let's dive in, starting from the most budget-friendly all the way up to the premium picks. Let's go! First up, we've got the CUSIMAX electric smokeless grill. This thing is a game-changer for indoor barbecue. It's got a replaceable smoke filter and pumps out 1,500 watts of power, so it heats up fast and gets hot. The smart LED display makes it super easy to dial in your temperature anywhere between 212 degrees Fahrenheit and 482 degrees Fahrenheit. And with its 2-in-1 design, you can cook everything from burgers to pancakes, all while keeping the smoke out of your kitchen. Clean, easy, delicious. Next, let's talk about a seriously versatile option, the Charbroil 3-in-1 Dual Fuel Outdoor Bistro Pro. This bad boy runs on both electric and charcoal, giving you that authentic smoky flavor we all crave. It maxes out at 650 degrees Fahrenheit, so searing is no problem whatsoever. The compact design makes it perfect for tight spaces, and the stainless steel griddle means you can whip up all kinds of meals for the whole crew. Last but definitely not least, for those of you who want top-tier quality, check out the Foreman Indoor-Outdoor Electric Patio Grill. This one is apartment approved, the non-stick coating makes cleanup a breeze, and the removable stand lets you use it both inside and outside. Total flexibility. 5 temperature settings plus a sloped surface that drains away grease? Yeah, this grill is built for healthy, flavor-packed cooking. And that wraps up our electric grill lineup. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one with more cooking tips and tricks.